Tired of endlessly copying and pasting information from websites? Well, get ready to unlock a world of automation. Today, we're diving into how to use PhantomBuster with N8n, the powerful workflow automation platform, to supercharge your web scraping, social media automation, and data extraction. First, let's set up a simple workflow in N8n. You'll need a trigger. This could be a schedule, a webhook, or any other event that kicks off your automation. Next, at the PhantomBuster node, you'll need to connect your PhantomBuster account by entering your API key, which you can find in your PhantomBuster dashboard. Under the API Keys tab, select Connect Account, and then paste your API key. Now, choose the Phantom you want to use. PhantomBuster has a library of pre-built Phantoms for all sorts of tasks, like scraping product data from Amazon or extracting email addresses from LinkedIn. For this example, let's use the LinkedIn Profile Scraper Phantom. In the input fields, paste the LinkedIn profile URLs you want to scrape. Once you've configured your Phantom, execute the node to start the automation. N8n will send the data to PhantomBuster, which will then scrape the information and return the results to N8n. Finally, you can connect the PhantomBuster node to other nodes in N8n to process the data further. For instance, you can add it to a Google Sheet, send it to a CRM, or even trigger another automation based on the extracted information. Connect to the Google Sheets node and add your credentials for a new spreadsheet. And that's it. By combining PhantomBuster's powerful automation capabilities with N8n's flexible workflow orchestration, you can create sophisticated automations that save you time and effort. So go ahead, experiment, and start automating your world.